There are definitely tough times ahead. We know that this is going to last for a while, whether that's a couple of weeks, a couple of months, uh, in the current economic state. But there is a sense of a new normal that's going to be different than before going forward. And those that position themselves well are definitely going to have the best opportunity. Small businesses get the chance to pivot a lot better than big corporations do. So we get to adjust how we're doing things and really capitalize on those kinds of things. So I wanted to make sure that we recognize that there are definitely tough times ahead, but we don't have to wallow in them, and we've got ways that we can use this as a momentum builder right now. There's things that we can actually do. I want to talk about that and share with you some of the best messaging and the best ways to get out in front of this.